Question number 6, you see, the question gives, find the area of the square whose perimeter is 440 centimeter. Now here also we will write the given perimeter of square is 440 centimeter. The perimeter of square, the formula is 4 into a. So value of perimeter is given to us. So I am putting that value here. 440 centimeter equals to 4 into a. We need to find out the a first. So I'll transfer the 4 to this side. So whenever I do it, here it is in multiplied position. When I change the side, it becomes divided. So 440 by 4 centimeter equals to a. Gives us a equals to 110 centimeter. Now a is side. Therefore side equals to 110 centimeter. Now area of the square, because we need to find out the area of the square. Area of the square equals to a square. This is the formula. Now a square means our a is 110 centimeters. So 110 into 110 centimeter square gives us 12,100 centimeters square. Now question number 7. The area of the square field is 100 acres. Find its perimeter. Given area of square is 100 acres. Now area of square equals to a square, that is the formula. Value of area is given to us, so I am putting the value 100 acres equals to a square. Therefore a will be equal to root over 100 acres, because a means side, and in order to find out the side of the square from the area, we need to find out the square root of the area. So square root of 100 acres gives us 10 acres. Now perimeter of the square equals to 4 into a. A means side. A we have already got 10 acres, so 4 into 10 acres gives us 40 acres. Next comes question number 10. Find the cost of tiling a rectangular plot of land 300 meter long and 150 meter wide at the rate of ₹6 per 100 square meter. Now here you see long and wide is given. Always remember, long means length and wide means breadth. So we'll write down given. Length equals to 300 meter and breadth equals to 150 meter. So we will find out the area of the rectangle. Now area of rectangle equals to L into B equals to 300 into 150 meter square, gives us 45,000 meter square. Now in the question it is given to us that we have to find out the cost of tiling a rectangular plot of land, and per 100 square meter the cost is ₹6. Here per 100 means 100, per means 1, always remember this. Cost of 100 meter square equals to ₹6. Therefore cost of 1 meter square will be ₹6 by 100. Therefore cost of 45,000 meter square will be ₹6 by 100 into 45,000. We are applying the unitary method here. So 0 and 0 get cancelled. 6 into 450 when we do, our answer comes to be ₹2,700. So this is the answer of question number 10. Next is question number 11. The area of square and rectangle are equal. If the side of square is 20 cm and the breadth of rectangle is 10 cm, find the length of the rectangle and its perimeter. So here what we will do, we have been given few things. So what are those? Let us see. Area of square equals to area of rectangle. This is given to us. Then side of square equals to 20 cm and breadth of rectangle is 10 cm. These three things are given to us. Now area of square equals to area of rectangle, because we are writing it again because it is already given here. That means area of square, the formula is side square, equals to area of rectangle, the formula is L into B. Next, side square means side of the square is already given 20 centimeters. That means 20 centimeter square equals to L into B. The value of B, breadth, is given to us 10 centimeters. So L into 10 centimeter. Now 20 into 20 centimeter square, when you do, it becomes 400 centimeter square equals to L into 10 centimeter. Now I'll transfer the 10 to this side. So here it is in multiplied position. When we change the side, it becomes divided. So it becomes 400 by 10 equals to L, that is length. Now when we cancel the 0, 0, so we get L equals to 40 centimeter. Our length is 40 centimeter. Now we need to find out the perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into L plus B, the formula. So we are putting the values 2 into 40 plus 10 centimeter equals to 2 into 50 centimeter gives us 100 centimeter.